Rendering. You will need to render your video as you work on it. This will help make sure playback runs smoothly whilst editing your video. You can tell if your sequence needs to be rendered if there is a red or yellow bar running along the top of your timeline. When your video has been rendered, the line will be green. Make sure the gray bar runs across your whole sequence in the timeline. If you need to change this, use the orange blocks at each end to change the size of the gray bar. Now select all of the video or audio clips in your timeline by click and dragging a box over your whole sequence, as seen below. Click on Sequence tab, then select Render Entire Work Area. Then wait. This can take quite a while depending on how much of your video needs to be rendered. Because of this, it is best to render bit by bit as you work on your video. Note this part of the video has been sped up and is not in real time. Now the video has been rendered. When you play the video back, it should run smoothly.